What's up here?
Yeah.
I'll play it. I was playing.
Well, yeah. That's the worst time.
Thought I could just get over you, baby. But it seems there's something I just can't do. From the way you would hold me to the sweet things you told me.
All the butts. Good. Good. Yeah. Go away.
Your mother.
Go away. Play that. See.
I just can't find.
Play it. Say dream.
I just want the other two. I just can't find a way.
Your mother. And what's after that?
To let go of you.
I thought it was to get over you. What was the part that you didn't teach me?
Oh,
Looking at your face on the wall.
Just a week ago, you were my baby. Now I don't even know you.
Wait, that's Dad's braid.
I don't know you at all. And I wish that you'd call me right now, so that I could get through to you somehow. But I guess it's safe to say, baby, safe to say that I officially miss
Cut!
you.
I'm going now.